We're in your newest van.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Thank you.
You got a bed up here that comes down. This is a shower. This is a freaking shower. Outside is right there. It's on the slider. It's a shower slider door. What? This is what it's supposed to look like. And that thing just snapped. Oh, you can see right there.
I just wanted you to give me a quick synopsis of what life after van life was like.
It took me a very long time to not feel shame for leaving.
I'm sitting in massive amounts of traffic right now. This is fun. I'll show you real quick. Oh yeah. Before I get into what I'm doing, if you're new to the page, consider subscribing. What I do here is a lot of that right there. The van life stuff. You know, the van and I did not coordinate that. I just happened to be driving next to one. But not just van life stuff, okay? We do tiny homes, we do travel, adventure in the near future or future. I should stop saying near future, but in the future, I plan to get into my own design and development of tiny homes, container homes especially. My name is Jared Tachi, that's the name of this channel. We'll also be behind the scenes of what it would be like to be a creative artist or a comedian. In my case, I was pursuing stand-up comedy in the great city of Los Angeles. There's a lot of sarcasm there. Then I got into van life and I lived in a van full-time for almost 4 years. I researched for a year before that, built out 2 vans. I call my brand or my company GHOST, which originally stands for Ground Home Operation Stealth Transportation, which pertained to the van life. However, I am now coming to you from a Jeep Gladiator that I still call Ghost because all of my vehicles are called Ghost. Acronym Ghost will stand for something else for the overlanding world and also for the tiny home development world. When I do have financial backing to have a container home as well as a maker space so van lifers can come and work on their vans, and some tiny homes where people can rent out, I will eventually call that Ghost Town. I've talked about this many times in the past, and guess what? Dream hasn't gone anywhere. Okay, enough out of me. That was a couple minutes of what this channel is about. Today's vlog is going to be over the course of roughly 24 hours. So I'm going to Portland, Oregon, and I'm going to see a very old dear friend of mine, and I'm going to see another one of my best friends, Mark, the owner of Nomadic Customs. I'm getting a suspension upgrade on the Jeep as well. So I have a busy 24 hours. Oh, and I'm doing a tour. I'm doing a van tour. Maybe me and Alexa later will have a conversation about life after van life. Yeah, let's do that. All right, guys, I finally met up with this girl. What up, AG?
I'm back.
You're back. For people that have no idea who the heck you are, because it's been forever since you've been on my damn channel. Yeah, we're gonna be hanging out for a little bit. I'm excited. We're in a van right now. It's not yours.
It's been a while.
Yes.
I live in a home now.
Yeah. We're gonna talk a little bit of life after van life because she was in it for a while. I was in it for, I don't know, 4 years. But right now I'm sitting in this guy's van.
What's up, guys? It's Shaden.
Shaden, you haven't been on my channel in 1.5 years.
Busting my butt, working.
We're in your newest van.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Thank you.
But we're gonna get a full tour of it right now. It's not obviously gonna be in this vlog, sorry guys, but we got a bed up here that comes down, and then I can't wait to show you guys this in the tour. Sorry, AG. This is a shower. This is a freaking shower, like, that's outside is right there. It's on the slider. It's a shower slider door. What? That's crazy. I can't wait to get all the details out to everybody here. You definitely want to check it out. Shaden, why don't you give out your freaking, I don't know, what do you have, a website now?
Yeah. Well, you can just check it out. Tricked Out Vans on YouTube, Shaden on Instagram.
Oh, you're gonna plug your YouTube channel on my channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. You're gonna plug your tour YouTube channel on my channel.
Oh.
That is rough,
actually,
dude.
I don't know if I'm gonna be doing tours anymore, but probably just like putting the course on YouTube.
Okay,
and
fair
I'm
enough.
gonna be having like some unboxings and stuff, and just like high-tech little tutorials on new stuff that I find. So.
All right, fair enough. He actually does find good deals. I'll give him that much. You changed your damn name.
I did change it.
You changed. It's not Moving Alexa anymore.
No, I never really liked that anyway.
I didn't like it either. But what is it now?
Alexa Glazer _.
Alexa Glazer _, and I can't wait to talk to her more because she's been up to some really, really cool stuff. I'm gonna ask you what life after van life is all about.
Ask you some questions.
I take really long showers now.
Yeah.
Really long showers.
I admire you because now you like go after all your goals and dreams and aspirations. So let's end that here. And say bye to Shaden. Bye, Shaden.
Guys.
I am at Off-Grid Solutions right now. You want to say hi, John?
Hello.
Shop manager? Yeah. For Jason's
Shop foreman?
Shop foreman.
Something along those
Dude,
lines.
by the way, I wanted to mention this.
Just number 2.
You're growing all this out, man. You grew the long hair out.
I'm trying.
So what Anthony and Nick are doing right now is, you know, just having fun with my Jeep. Very first thing that that Anthony did, he is a certified mechanic, thankfully. So is John, actually, by the way. He jacked up my tire because we are putting Fox shocks on, which are right over there, and these coil springs to handle the weight that I've added to the back of the Jeep. Hey, I think that's some oil coming out. And then all of a sudden you hear,
It's more like a snap.
it was a snap.
The snap was when he lowered the vehicle. When he raised it up, the shock separated, and when he lowered it, it tried to reinsert itself, and that was what the bang was.
So this is the driver's side shock that's stock, that's in a plastic baggie, and it's in a plastic baggie because there was leaking oil everywhere. Look at this thing. This is what it's supposed to look like. And that thing just snapped. Oh, you can see right there inside. That is crazy.
You can see the casting break.
We broke the shock. However, I'm replacing them anyways.
I've pulled shocks off of Sprinter vans at like 6,000 miles that were just as bad.
They blew?
They didn't break or come apart,
Yeah.
but like you could set it there and watch it just sink on its own when you're supposed to have to compress it. Like it didn't hold the pressure.
How many Van Compass, like, or RP packages or something like that, how many have you done?
For off-grid solutions,
Yeah.
probably about half a dozen to a dozen, somewhere in there.
Yeah.
We try not to do it very, very often.
You don't anymore.
I mean, we do it when it's needed.
Can I pop underneath and take a look?
Yeah,
Give it a wiggle.
I'm not going under.
She's just dangling.
Nope, that's a thingamajiggy.
This is a spring isolator. Most likely I haven't compared the old one yet, but I have a feeling that
Wow.
a bunch of it is going to be that.
Transfer the isolator.
I have no idea what these guys are talking about, but I mean, that's why I have other. This is actually a good point. This is why I have people work on stuff that I don't know. So when you don't know something, like what you guys specialize in is electrical.
Power systems are our bread and butter.
They are.
4.
There's a 4 battery system right there and
There's
another
a
right
4
there.
battery system. There's a 3 battery system down there.
That's a 3 down there, yeah. Dude, I mean, obviously these guys, this is what I'm talking about though. When you don't know something, you pay someone to do something. This is a massive kit. 4 battery kit with a 3,000 watt?
That's going to be a 4 battery kit, 3,000 watt inverter, correct?
Same thing with this one?
That one is, yeah, I just mounted the inverter on that one, and I'm on the next stages of getting that wired in.
And I believe you guys know how to install the Nations.
I'm going to be putting a Nations alternator on that van that's outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, next week.
Oh, cool. And they have an in-house photographer, videographer, with Nick over there.
He's the one that's helping us with the Instagram.
Is he? He's doing the
Yeah,
Instagram?
he's the one that's doing all the posts, the pictures for us for the Instagram.
Oh, cool. So
That's our photographer.
follow them on Instagram, Off-Grid Solutions. Just wanted to put this guy on camera because he wasn't on camera before. Anthony works at Off-Grid Solutions. Boom, right there. Honestly, there's no way I would have done this. There's no freaking way I could have done this. So if it wasn't for this guy right here, Jason is his boss technically, but Jason's not here, so screw him. Right?
Anthony's going to be our lead installer.
Oh, really?
I think so.
Did you run into any issues other than us breaking a shock?
Blowing apart as we lifted up the vehicle, no.
Step 1, raise vehicle off ground.
Yeah.
Boom!
No.
What was that?
Legitimately, you read that on
That
the...
was right off the ShopKey Pro, which has the Mopar factory service manual on it, step by step.
Jeep, you are failing right now. I'm really upset with you guys. No, I'm just kidding, but I am a little upset with you guys. Well, I can't not be in Jason's shop without showing at least one project they're working on. So this is a ProMaster. This is a custom ladder that they now make for the ProMaster. It's not 100% complete, but I will say this. You guys can't see it, but there's 2 400 watts?
2 400 watt solar panels
So
on
there's
the top of that roof.
800 watts of solar up there, and that's gonna be a walkable deck.
It is walkable. I'll walk on it right now.
You're gonna stand on it right now?
Hey, you didn't want to climb up?
He told me it's not done yet. He doesn't want to show on a camera.
It's not wired yet.
The wooden
It's not
decking is
wired.
It's not wired yet?
It's not wired yet.
And John, I mean, I don't want to call you up, but you're a big dude.
I'm 6'2", 230 pounds, and I'm standing on a 400.
And we have them
All right, I'm just gonna get up there so I can show that you are standing on a solar deck at least.
Yeah, I'm standing on the solar deck, walking around, bouncing around, no problem.
That's what you do. So you're a big guy, not to again blast your height and weight, but
built to last.
Built to last. 230? You don't look 230.
I hold it well.
He looks 250. You guys are also a VanLife Tech installer. I'll give you a shout out for that.
Yep,
you know,
that is a VanLife Tech floor kit right there.
this is the VanLife Tech ProMaster kit because he came out with that recently, or not recently, last couple years. All right, it's a little loud, but I'm facing my fears
He's being forced to face his fears.
because I'm up on a bridge and I'm scared of freaking heights. And it's scary. Look at this. We're up high, right?
We're higher than the trees, baby!
And I'll turn the camera out so you guys can see. This is the St. John's Bridge in Portland. Ah! Pretty bridge though. We'll be back when I get off the bridge.
We're having deep talks on a park bench. Wow, this GoPro thing is cool. Look how cute we look.
Oh my God. I have the GoPro 9 with the front facing screen and with the greenery behind us. It looks pretty cool.
It does look cool. We gotta take a photo like this. Look how cute we are.
I can screenshot it and send it to you.
He's alive, guys. I didn't push him over the bridge.
Thank God.
He didn't push me. No cars came on the curb. We're alive and well. I didn't lose my hat. Wow, you didn't lose yours and you kept on your head the whole time.
I did because my head was burning.
I just wanted you to give me a quick synopsis of what life after van life was like.
It took me a very long time to not feel shame for leaving.
I did too. Do you blame, because I did, like the transition period was really hard.
Yeah.
Do you blame social media for that?
Yes.
So do I.
I feel like I was thinking about selling the van for quite some time. Didn't, and then it was kind of like you and another friend of ours kind of like got it out of me, and then
Yeah.
I finally was, and Megan Cable, freaking love Megan Cable.
I do
to
too.
pieces.
She's amazing.
I mean, the three of us kind of all left similarly times doing such different things, different places.
Yeah.
I mean, there was so much shame at first.
There was, and I've been meaning to talk to Megan as well about the transition period from van life to either home life, because Megan owns, or what Alexa and I do, which is rent. And what's that been like? Because like I believe Megan and I were 3.5 to 4 years full-time, and you were 18 months full-time. And even at 18 months it was tough to kind of switch it over.
You at least camp in your Jeep, and then I
love my
finally
Jeep.
completely removed myself altogether, where now I've like it. I feel like it's opened my eyes to, I had a speaking event and actually like bought an Airbnb, rented a car, and I was like, do you know how nice it is to not try to find a Planet Fitness to shower before a speaking event? It's funny, I lived with my mom for a year after I sold the van, and my mom was like, you take the world's longest showers now. I was like a 5-minute shower before the van to take for granted showers again. I am in there forever.
Or going to the bathroom in a porcelain facility.
Like as soon as you wake up, not clenching your ass cheeks to like be like, fuck, I need to find a bathroom, and not knowing when.
We've had a few beers, so if she's a little goofy, this it was a bug that flew into my face just now. Anyways, transition period of van life. No, I mean, so if you are considering getting out of van life, I shouldn't even say getting out of, because I'm obviously very much involved in the community. This one here, and again, I'm not shaming anybody that wants to get into van life or continues to do it or that is possibly getting out of it. But I feel like van life for us has really catapulted the things that we wanted to do out of life.
I would never take it back for a second.
Right, neither would I.
I would never remove that from my life. I mean, it was so influential in like where I am today, etc. And again, I've remained close to the like people that I needed to remain close with.
I would have never been friends with you.
Never. Megan Cable.
Megan's another one.
I'm seeing Megan in a week. What are the chances of this?
What are the chances? I'm finishing this vlog literally on June 1st, and it's gonna be posted probably a week later. But my point to this is, how many days did you, in the month of May, how many days did you sleep in your bed?
11.
11 out of the 31 days. So 20 of those days you were traveling.
Yep.
So just because, I like the term van life in quotes, because it's like, It's that nomadic journey, lifestyle, adventurous soul. It's more of a term than a lifestyle. It's a broad term is what I'm trying to say, I think, right? Like, and it got us to where you and I are very comfortable with what we're doing now. I'm very happy. I love sharing other people's designs and ideas, and you love motivating people and coaching and doing the things that you do.
Well, I think it's cool too. Yesterday we had a conversation with Shaden, and
Yeah, Shaden, yeah.
who's still in his van.
Yeah.
Being away from it, we can have better conversations with people who are in it of like, why are you actually doing this? Because now we're aware, like we can pull apart the things like, okay, the travel part of van life, love. Meeting people, love. Seeing new things, love.
Agree.
Things I don't love. Needing to find somewhere to go to the bathroom. Like, you know what I mean? Like, just like the
Needing a shower.
The hygiene
Parking.
stuff that's like, it wasn't a problem for a year, but if I can pick and still travel, still connect, still meet people, et cetera, see new things, but take like that like stressful piece of like, is someone gonna knock on my door? Am I gonna wake up with a ticket? Like, do you know what I mean? Like, I was never fearful on the road, but you're still aware of like what could go wrong. Is my van gonna start? I think of, in the past month, my 11 days that I spent in my bed, and the rest of the month that I was gone, I spent time alone traveling with new friends, connected with new people, and also old friends in places that I felt very comfortable in. That wins.
That's a win.
A big win.
The only time that Alexa and I have ever parked tandem, only ever time, other than gatherings or meetups, that we've parked overnight next to each other. One freaking time. The only time. I get my only door knock. My only ever door knock was with her.
And I was on a run.
And she was running at 7 a.m. and I was sleeping in my van and she was out running. And I had to call her and be like, did you get a door knock? Because the cop's out in front of our vans.
Also, guys, I've spent less than, well, maybe full 24 hours with Jared, and I'm already have my Boston accent back.
Oh yeah, she drops the effing pretty hard.
Over some beers.
Over some beers.
When I need to open the drawers. Talking about Fenway Park.
Fenway Park, and we're gonna go park the car down at Harvard Yard.
Before Jared leaves, I'm gonna make him take me to my favorite coffee shop. I'm not gonna make you buy. I'm just gonna, if they're still open, I would like to get my third coffee of the day.
I hate to say this,
No.
when we walked past, it was closed. And on that note, I gotta go get Alexa coffee. She's about to cry, and I'm not about to put that on camera for everybody. Good night.
It's daytime.
It's daytime.